Well, hey guys, I'm out here on a windy spring Texas day and it's absolutely beautiful. My pasture here is covered in flowers. I thought I would get my Mavic Air 2 in the air today and just share the beauty with everybody. So, hey, let's take off and let's take a look.
Take off.
Wow, that's not too bad for as windy it is. I actually hit the board. Hey guys, I know that was a quick video. I hope you enjoyed the pretty flowers. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Watch my other drone videos. I'll put an end screen at the end so you can click on it and watch some of my others. So, hey, if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I'll catch you later.